Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video, I will teach you how to appeal the left channel or right channel with audio like this one. If you're using CapCut, then you will notice that only left is working. This one is working, but not this one of the right. So, what we're going to do is let's just click this audio signal and then go here. Just scroll down and just click the appeal channel. Then let's see how it works. Let's choose the appeal left with right first, so if the audio signal is disabled, then you choose the wrong, this is the right one. So, if we click this one, the juice signal is get back to original form. Then let's see if the right channel is working. Hello mic test, hello mic test, hello. So this one is working now, so the boat mic test, hello hello. Both of left and right is working now, hello. I hope this video helped you to solve your problem with a stereo speaker or your audio output while editing into your CapCut application. Thank you guys.